Hello students and welcome you all in today's class. Today we are taking a very important and interesting topic of center tendency, and that is mode. In my previous lectures, we have already discussed about the mean and median, and today we are taking mode, which is also important for the purpose of exam. So mode is having three series: individual, discrete and continuous. And in this lecture we are taking individual series. So in this lecture we will discuss about the concept of mode, also the computation of mode in individual series by its methods with suitable examples. So let's start the today's lecture. Concept of mode or the meaning of mode. Friends, in simple terms I can say what is mode. Mode is that value which is repeating many times in the series. Okay. So the concept of mode is the value of the variable for which the frequency is maximum or highest is called mode or modal value. The number which is repeating, okay, in simple terms we can say the number which is repeating many times in X series or coming frequently in X series, that is our mode. Okay. According to Ya-Lun Chao, mode is that value of a series which appears more frequently than any other. Okay. And the sign of mode is Z or MO, but usually we use Z. Now computation of mode in individual series. So here we have three methods to solve mode in individual series. Number one, by inspection. Number two, by making discrete or grouped series. Or number three, with the help of mean and median. Okay. So if you will use the third method, so here you have a formula, and that is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. In short, we can say Z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Now start with the first method. The method number one is inspection method. That is very simple method. Okay. In this method, we will see the X series. We just inspect the X series and see which number is repeating. Okay. Which number is coming many times in the series. That is our mode. So it is very simple method. Okay. So we will take a question here. The question is, the following data shows the ages of 10 students in class, find the mode. Okay. And the ages are 12, 16, 15, 16, 20, 19, 16, 14, 21 and 15. Okay. So here you can see the number 16 is coming many times, 3 times. Okay. So that is our mode. Okay. So you just inspect the series and you can find out the mode. But in exam, you have to solve the question step by step. So here, if you want to solve the question in proper way, so first step will be you have to set the question in ascending order. Okay. So the ascending order of these ages is 12, 14, 15, 15 because it is coming 2 times. Then 16, 16, 16 it is coming 3 times. Then 19, 20 and 21. Okay. So you can see here 16 is coming 3 times. And according to the meaning or the concept of the inspection method, mode is what? The number which is repeating or coming many times in the series, that is mode. So 16 is our mode because it is coming 3 times. Okay. You can see or write in the description 16 years age belongs to maximum number of students. So 16 is repeating 3 times. So that is our mode. Okay. Z is equal to 16 here. Okay. Now the method number 2, the conversion method. Here you will convert the individual series into the discrete series or into the continuous series. Okay. So if you want to make a discrete series, you have to convert the data in X form. Okay. In X series in ascending order, and you have to make F here. Or if you want to make the continuous series from the individual series, so you have to make class. Okay. You have to convert the data into the class in ascending order, and the second step will be make F. Okay. So by this way you can convert the individual series into the discrete series or in the continuous series. So it is your choice that you want to convert, or you want to use inspection method only, or if you want to convert, so you will convert in which series, in discrete series or in continuous series. So we will take a question of both kind of conversion. So here we are taking the conversion into the discrete series. Okay, so here I am taking a question, and the question is same which I have already taken in the first method, inspection method. The following data shows the ages of 10 students in class, find the mode. Okay, and the ages are same. Now the ascending order. Okay, the first requirement of the question is to make the question into in the ascending order. Okay, so ascending order is this, and now you have to convert this individual series into the discrete series. Okay, so you need what? X and F. Okay, so you will write all the X's, and you have to write in front of that X the frequency. Okay, so by making a table, we can convert the individual series into the discrete series. So X is here what? 12. It is coming one time. So the frequency of 12 is 1. 14, it is also coming one time. So the frequency will be 1. 15, it is coming 2 times. 16, coming 3 times. So the frequency will be 3. 19, 20 and 21 are coming one time. So the frequency will be 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So now the question is converted into the discrete series. Okay. And now what is the formula, or what is the rule to solve a mode here? Okay. The number which is having the highest frequency, that is our mode here. Okay. So you can see that the frequency corresponding the value 16 is maximum. Okay, the frequency of number 16 is maximum. So the mode is here what? 16. Okay, the A16 having highest frequency. Okay, so the number which is having the highest frequency, that is our mode here. Okay, so the modal age is 16, Z is 16. Now if you want to convert the question, okay, into the continuous series, so what are the rules? You have to make class and F. But remember one thing, if you want to convert the individual series into the grouped series or continuous series, so you will see the data is huge or data is less. If the data is huge, then you can use the continuous series. Okay, you can make the or convert the question into the continuous series. Okay, now if the question is like that, find mode from the following data, and the numbers are there: 2, 4, 7, 8, 6, 6, 10, 12, 13, 11, 12, 16, 18, 12, 19, 21, 23, 21, 24. Okay, so the data is huge here. So you can convert the question in continuous series here. Okay, so you need what? Class. Now it is up to you that you will make the class with how much interval, with how much difference. Okay, so you can take the difference of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. Okay, so here I am taking the difference of 5. But before that, you have to set the question in ascending order. So the ascending order of this question is this: 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 16, 18, 19, 21, 21, 23 and 24. Okay. So now it is the ascending order of that individual series. Now if you make class here by taking the difference of 5. So the first class will be 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. Now you will write the numbers under each class. Okay. So 0 to 5, under this 2 and 4 are coming. Okay. So you will write 2 and 4. So the frequency of this class is 2 because 2 numbers are coming under this class. Okay. Now in the next class 6, 6, 7, 8 are coming. So the frequency of the second class is 4 because 4 numbers are coming under this class. Okay. Next, under the third class, 10 to 15, 10, 11, 12, 12, 12 and 13 are coming. Okay, means 6 numbers are coming under this class. So the frequency of this class is 6. Now, next class 15 to 20. You can see in the ascending order that 16, 18 and 19 are coming under this class. So you will write and the frequency will be 3 because 3 numbers are coming under this class. Okay, and the last class 20 to 25. So the numbers are under this class 21, 21, 23, 24. Okay, so 4 numbers are coming under this class. So the frequency of this class is 4. Okay, so by this manner or by this way, you can convert the individual series into the grouped series. Okay, so here you cannot find the mode directly. Okay, here you have to use the formula. By this you can only find out the modal class or Z class. So the modal class will be which is having the highest frequency. Okay, the class which is having the highest frequency, that will be the modal class. Okay, so the modal class will be 10 to 15 here because this class is having the highest frequency and which is 6. Okay, so we will further discuss about it and we will solve this this kind of question under the continuous series in my next lecture. Okay, so today we are discussing about only the conversion, how to convert the individual series into the continuous series. Okay, and if you don't want to convert this question into the grouped series, then you can see here at a glance by inspection that that 12 is coming 3 times. Okay, so if you want to solve this question by inspection method, so your mode will be 12 because it is repeating or coming 3 times. Okay, now the third method. Now we are taking method third. Okay, with the help of mean and median. Okay, so if you want to use this method, so you have to remember this thing first. Use this method where there no number is repeating. Okay, because in mode, if any number is repeating, that will be mode. If no number is repeating, so how you can calculate mode? Okay, so that in that case you can use this method. Okay, and there are some steps you have to follow here. First, you have to find out mean, then you have to find out median, and then you have to find out mode by using this formula, and the formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, means 3m minus 2x bar. Okay, now we are taking a question and the question is this, and we have to set the question in ascending order. And now in table form we will convert the question in n and x series. So x are the n are 9. Okay, and the x series total is 122. Okay, now we have to find out first what? Mean. Okay, so the mean formula of individual series direct method is sigma x upon n. So 122 upon 9 will be 13.56. Next, find median. So m is equal to, the formula is n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 9 plus 1 by 2 will be 10 by 2 will be 5. The fifth value will be our median. Okay, so the fifth value is what? 15. So median is 15. And now by after calculating mean and median, you can calculate mode. Okay, so the formula of mode 3m minus 2x bar. So here you will put the value of m and x bar. 3 then m 15 minus 2 and x bar is 13.56. After calculating this, you can get 17.88. Okay, so that is our mode. Okay, so in this method you have to calculate first mean and median, and then you can calculate mode. Okay, in this lecture we have seen about what is mode and how to solve mode in individual series by inspection method, by conversion method, and with the help of mean and median. So students, if you have any doubt, you can ask, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.